Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone 6s Plus screen. Okay, so this screen is damaged and I'm going to show you how to replace it. Okay, so I got a new one from the shop and I'm going to take you through the steps how you can simply replace this damaged screen with this new screen. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing is you need a case opener, and I'm going the crude way. I just take the pen cock and I'm able to use it to open it up here. So yeah, here we go, and there we go. You just make sure you don't damage anything inside there. Okay, we go slowly. Okay, and there we have it, and that's it. You got the screen opened, and just make sure you don't take it further backwards. It should stay at about 90 degrees. And now usually you would find a plate in this area, okay, with some 5 screws, and you just need a star screwdriver to remove them. Okay, so at this moment I am going to make sure I take these off, these simple connectors here. I need to just take them off, and then I'll be able to detach the old screen. So let's use the same tool. Okay, so we got the first one. You should just do it in the order just as I'm doing it. Okay, so this is the first one, and then we go for the second one. Okay, we good, and then we go for the third one. Now the third one is just right here. So okay, so that's it. Now we detach the old screen. Okay, it's already messed up, so we are going to replace it with this one. Okay, all right, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so the next thing we do is to take off the home key. Okay, so we've got 2 screws here. We take them off in this order. Okay, just put them at a position. You can always get them back easily. Okay, all right, so take off the plate. And then, so the next thing we have to do is to just take off these 3 screws. Okay, this is so this third cable is the connector for the cam. So when we remove it, we are going to fix it here. This is the new screen. This is a new screen. So if you turn the back, you can see there are only 2 connectors here. So we just have to take off this part, fix it here, and then we're gonna have it as 3. And then we will get them back here, right within the open spaces here. Okay, take the screws off. Okay, so yeah, we got the first one opened. Please try to put it at a place where you can actually locate them and put them back in the right order. Okay. Okay, we got the second screw opened, and let's open the third one so we take them all off at the same time. Okay, so guys, we got the screws out here, but you should check this out. You see that the screw are of different sizes. So the smaller one goes this way, and then the other two, the bigger ones, go to the top. All right, so you take note of that. So now that we are successful, we can just lift this one up, and then yeah, we try to get the this. So we need it, we put it at the right place. And now this is the we're going to fix these three connectors back here, but we will do it in a reverse order. So this one goes here. We need to get it straight in. Okay, we're good. We need to try it, so we try to power it on to see if we got things correct or rightly done. Okay, there we go. So our screen is working fine. So let's get it on and try it. So we're gonna try our home key to see if it is working now. Let's just say we open this one, and then we try. Yes, so the home key is working pretty fine. Get the screws in here, and then that'll be it. Okay, sit back. Okay, right here. Okay, and yeah, so we're good to go.